Hi, we are the Brandywine Heights What's So Cool About Manufacturing team from Topton, PA. Today, we are heading over to a manufacturing company called Palram to learn about what they do.
Palram is a worldwide manufacturing company that mainly produces various types of plastic and glass products. It also manufactures many helpful outdoor coverings that can be used to protect homes from storms and other problems.
Here, one of the workers is talking about the materials that make their products.
Is in the U.S. since 2000. We started off at this location in 2000 with just a polycarbonate manufacturing facility with room for 2 of our production lines. The history goes back further than that. Our parent company is in Israel, and they started in 1963, and the business started there and ventured into the U.S.
Glenn Stein, the Director of Human Resources, Victoria Feller, Senior Human Resources Business Partner, Robin Wilson, Environment, Health and Safety Manager, and Ed Jennings, Director of Manufacturing, informed us on what they do in the company, and they gave us a basic understanding of the company from where they stand.
One of the employees is showing us how the machines are making plastics and how they are used for ballroom. There are many of these machines making all different plastics.
Had a great time visiting Palram. We learned a lot about manufacturing and how what we learn in school relates to the working world. We implore you to explore Palram's products and check them out.